Logging the foods you have eaten will be reflected on the caloric intake and activity graph and is a useful tool to help track and achieve your goals. As you start looking at your My Menu for the day, you will see your planned caloric intake is 1,997 calories. This number will change as you adjust your menu. For better tracking and accuracy before logging, first adjust any servings eaten if they differ from your planned servings, using the pencil icon. For example, you may have had an additional serving of strawberries with your dinner today. Use the plus or minus tabs to make the change and save. Next, add any additional foods not in your My Menu using the Add Item feature. Here is where you will add the Honeycrisp apple you had with your afternoon snack. You may narrow your search by selecting recipes or foods. Then type apple in the search box. Begin scrolling through the database, or continue to add additional descriptive words. Then, click on the item you ate. Now, adjust the number of servings you ate and click Add. Let's go over how to view the bar graph before we begin to log for the day. Use the information icon to view the explanation. Let's review your personal bar graph. The gray dashed line is displayed with your caloric target number above it, which is calculated from your profile and weight and activity inputs. As you can see, the caloric target for Tuesday is 2,043 calories. Planned caloric intake is the gray shaded area and is the calories in your planned My Menus. It should be very close to your caloric target if you made little or no edits to your daily menu. Changes were made to your My Menu by adding an additional serving of strawberries and an apple with your afternoon snack. So, the planned caloric intake has been adjusted accordingly in the donut chart from the original amount of 1,997. The gray outline is the calories needed to maintain your current weight. If you checked Maintain Current Weight in the profile setting, this gray line will be the same height as your caloric target. Calories consumed is the sum from your food log entries. To log, check the box next to each food you ate or use the Log All button. Each time you check a box, you will see the bar grow. The bar will begin filling in with green diagonal lines until it goes beyond your caloric target, the gray dashed line. It will then turn orange to indicate you are beyond your caloric target. If you go beyond the calories needed to maintain your current weight, the gray outline. The lines will turn red. The actual number of calories consumed and logged is displayed at the bottom of the bar. You can also reference the legend at the bottom of the graph. You have the option to hide the legend by clicking on the Legend button. The bar graph title will display the estimated weight loss or gain for the week based on the difference between the amount of calories needed to maintain your current weight, represented by the upper gray box line, and the deficit or surplus of calories you log, which are the calories consumed. If you only log 3 of 7 days, for example, then the calculation will only include those 3 days. So, if you would like a more accurate estimate of your weekly weight loss or gain status, then log all days of the week. The more days logged, the more accurate the weight loss or gain estimate.